Hey everyone, welcome back to rerumcognitio channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a bit unsettling, dark psychology. We'll be breaking down the basics of manipulation, persuasion, and something called Dark NLP. But don't worry, we're going to keep it super simple and easy to understand. So, what exactly is dark psychology? Well, it's like the not-so-friendly side of how our minds work. It involves tactics and techniques that people use to influence or control others without them realizing it. It's kind of like the hidden art of getting inside someone's head. First up, let's talk about manipulation. This is when someone tries to control your thoughts or behavior for their own benefit. It can happen in all sorts of relationships, at work, with friends, or even in your personal life. Maybe you've experienced it without even knowing. Think about those times when someone made you feel guilty or played with your emotions to get what they wanted. That's manipulation in action. It can be subtle or more obvious, but the goal is usually to make you do something you might not have done otherwise. Next on the list is persuasion. Now, persuasion isn't always a bad thing. We use it every day. It's about convincing someone to see things from your point of view. But in the world of dark psychology, persuasion can take a darker turn. It's like using Jedi mind tricks, but not for the greater good. Imagine someone trying to sell you something by making it seem like everyone's doing it, or making you believe it's your idea to buy. That's the sneaky side of persuasion. It's about getting you to say yes without even realizing why. Lastly, let's touch on Dark NLP. NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming, which is a fancy way of saying how we use language to influence our minds. In the dark version, it's like hacking into someone's thoughts and tweaking them for your benefit. Picture someone using certain words or phrases to make you doubt yourself or feel anxious. Dark NLP can mess with your perception of reality. It's like a linguistic illusion designed to make you see things in a way that benefits the person using it. So, there you have it, a quick overview of dark psychology, including manipulation, persuasion, and dark NLP. It's essential to be aware of these tactics so you can spot them when they happen. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is your best defense against the dark arts of psychology. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, keep healthy, and keep inspired.